Hi everyone, GPT-5 is coming out soon, and here is everything we know so far. DeepSeek, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Llama. The list of new and upcoming AIs goes on, and we see new AI models emerging every day. But what about our OG ChatGPT? Amidst all the new AIs, our ChatGPT, the godfather of AI, is back with another banger update, GPT-5. Before jumping into the exciting stuff about GPT-5, it's helpful to understand where it all started. The GPT series, starting from GPT-3, has already been impressive. GPT-3 made huge waves because of its ability to generate text and understand language better than previous models. Then came GPT-4, which added the ability to process both text and images. That was a game changer. But now, with GPT-5, the game is being changed once again. This new model isn't just another upgrade. It's a step towards something much bigger. One of the major improvements in GPT-5 is its ability to understand much larger chunks of information at once. Well, GPT-5 can process that much information without any problems. Its context window has been expanded to over 1 million tokens. GPT-5's advanced capabilities, such as its ability to understand and generate code, could significantly change the landscape of software engineering. With its powerful reasoning and problem-solving skills, it can now assist in writing, debugging, and optimizing complex code. GPT-5 is definitely going to change a lot of things, but it's not the end of the road. As AI continues to evolve, we'll likely see even more advanced models that can do things we can't even imagine yet. What we know for sure is that GPT-5 represents the start of a new era in AI. What do you think about the new features of GPT-5? Are you excited for what's to come, or do you have concerns about AI getting too powerful? We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.